Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to Long Range Weather Forecast Discussion for August 9th to the 21st. The pattern remains anomalous for this time of year, with the ridge over the Rockies and broad trough over the east. A fairly strong short wave is forecast to track across the northwest early in the period, causing showers across the coastal ranges. Monsoonal moisture is expected to continue across the four corners. Showers are forecast in the east along a polar front, with most of the activity across the Ohio Valley into the Mid-Atlantic. Models are in agreement with the 500 millbar circulation for August 12th to the 16th and depict a trough near western Alaska, right here, and a trough off the west coast, and a ridge over the west, see right here, and a trough in the east. Okay, so now we're going to look at the NAEFS, and most of the models are coming around to this, forecasting above normal temperatures across this region here and below normal temperatures here. So we're going to look at the 6 to 10 day outlook. We're forecasting above normal temperatures across this region and below normal temperatures for here. For precipitation, generally looking for below normal precipitation here and above normal precipitation across this region. Now we're going to look at the period for August 17th to the 21st. The ensembles and models remain in agreement with the 500 millibar circulation and depict a progressive pattern for August 17th to the 21st. The change during this forecast period is the ridge in the west is forecast to weaken. Other than that, little change is expected in the circulation features. So now we're going to look at the temperature forecast. We're expecting a little change in the temperature anomaly fields. But for precipitation, we're forecasting below normal precipitation here and above normal precipitation across this region. And a note, the European long-range models forecast dry and warm in most of the west and cool and wet in the east through August. Also, models are depicting below average tropical activity, and that becomes a problem because I don't know, even NOAA was forecasting above normal tropical activity, and so was Colorado State. And these forecasts come out and they kind of put a scare to the public when they're forecasting like above normal hurricane activity, especially for areas in the east, which has had Hurricane Sandy. And then later on, they start downgrading them. So they should be a little more conservative. That's just my opinion. Okay, so that is the long-range weather forecast discussion for August 9th to 21st. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.